Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for the second week of this ad cycle, and I'm able to find some more deals you can pick up if you need them. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. I have 2 Crest deals in this video and I also have a 5 off 25 Crest CRT. If you combine the 2 deals together with the 5 off 25, it will end up cheaper, but I will explain each deal by itself before combining them. The first deal is buy 2 get 7 back on select Crest toothpaste. Pick up 1 Crest Pro Health Gum Recession toothpaste priced at $11.79 and 1 Crest 3D Whitening Therapy priced at $11.79. These 2 will total $23.58. Use a $5 digital coupon for the whitening therapy and a $5 digital coupon for the gum recession. Both will take off $10 and you pay $13.58, get 7 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. Second deal I have is buy 2 get $3 back on select Crest toothpaste, and Oral-B toothbrushes are part of this deal as well, and they are on sale for 2 for $7.98. Pick up 2. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $3.98, get 3 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. Using a 5 off 25 Crest CRT, these 4 items will total $31.56. Use a $5 digital coupon for the whitening therapy, a $5 digital coupon for the gum recession, and a 4 off 2 Crest digital coupon. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $19 and you pay $12.56. You get a $7 extra care box and a $3 extra care box back. That means you're getting $10 back in extra care box. That will end up making these 4 toothpaste just $2.56 or 64 cents each. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on participating Colgate toothpaste, brush or mouthwashes. Pick up 1 Colgate toothpaste priced at $5.29 and 1 Colgate mouthwash priced at $6.29. These 2 will total $11.58. Check your app. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste and another $2 coupon for the mouthwash. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $7.58, get 5 back, making them $2.58 or $1.29 each. My next deal is on 1 liter scope mouthwash. It's on sale for $4.99 and part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $9.98. The 4 off 2 digital coupon that is working for the Crest toothpaste is also working for the mouthwash. Using the 4 off 2 coupon, you will pay $5.98, get 4 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. 8 Sensodyne toothpaste are on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off and part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 2 priced at $5.29 and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $3.17. These 2 will total $8.46. Pay the $8.46 and you get 4 back, making them $4.46 or $2.23 each. Eucerin lotions and cream are part of spend 20 get $10 back. Pick up 1 8-ounce Eucerin calming cream priced at $13.99 and 1 5-ounce Eucerin lotion priced at $6.59. These 2 will total $20.58. Pay the $20.58 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each item. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta, making both just $6.58 or $3.29 each. The deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea hand and body lotion. Pick up 2 8.4 ounce Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 each. Both will total $14.58. Use the $2 off Nivea digital coupon and you pay $12.58, get 7 back, making them $5.58 or $2.79 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back, and Vaseline lip care and body lotion is part of this deal. And I will show you 2 options for this deal. The first one is to pick up 2 10-ounce Vaseline lotion priced at $5.59 each. Both will total $11.18. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $7.18. Get 3 back, making them $4.18 or $2.09 each. Second option is to pick up 2 Vaseline Rosy Lips priced at $3.89 each. Both will total $7.78. Pay the $7.78 and you get 3 back, making them $4.78 or $2.39 each. Cetaphil facial care products are on the deal of buy 1 get $3 back. Pick up 1 Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Bar priced at $5.79. pay the $5.79 and get 3 back, making it just $2.79. Another easy deal you can pick up is the Avatar facial mask. It's on the deal of buy 2 get 3 back and it's priced at $3.29. Pick up 2 for a total of $6.58. Pay the $6.58 and you get 3 back, making them $3.58 or $1.79 each. Spend 10 on peach slices acne care, you get $3 back. Pick up 1 7-count peach slices nose patches priced at $11.99. Pay the $11.99 and get 3 back, making it just $8.99. Buy the 3-count About Beauty facial razor, you get $2 back. Pick up 1 priced at $6.29. Pay the $6.29 and get 2 back, making it $4.29. Buy Onyx nail polish remover, you get $2 back. Pick up 1 priced at $5.99. Pay the $5.99 and get 2 back, making it just $3.99. Select Purell products are on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 24-count Purell wipes priced at $4.59 each. Both will total $9.18. Pay the $9.18 and you get 5 back, making them $4.18 or $2.09 each. The second option is to pick up 2 8-ounce Purell hand sanitizer priced at $5.19 each. Both will total $10.38. Pay the $10.38 and you get 5 back, making them $5.38 or $2.69 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 5 back on CVS Health products, and I have 2 options for this deal as well. The first one is to pick up the CVS Health Zinc Oxide Ointment priced at $4.49. The 2 will total $8.98. Pay the $8.98 and you get 5 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. Second option is to pick up 2 bandages priced at $5.39 each. Both will total $10.78. Pay the $10.78 and you get 5 back, making them $5.78 or $2.89 each. Batiste dry shampoos are on sale for buy 1 get 1 free, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 priced at $11.99. Check your app. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $9.99. Pay the $9.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each. That means you're getting back $4 from Ibotta, making them $5.99 or $3 each. Neutrogena, Maui, and OGX hair care are on sale for $6.99 each, but no extra care box back. Pick up 2 OGX nourishing coconut oil. Both will total $13.98. Check your app. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that you can use for this deal, and that will drop it down to $7.98. Pay the $7.98 and that will make each oil just $3.99. Buy 2 any Boost nutritional drinks and you get $8 back. Pick up 1 Boost advanced nutritional shake priced at $14.99. And we have a $4 digital coupon for this item. And to complete this deal, pick up 1 Boost balanced nutritional drink priced at $14.49. And we also have a $3 digital coupon for it. These two will total $29.48. Using the 2 coupons I mentioned earlier on, it will take off $7 and you pay $22.48, get $8 back, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $4.25 on the Boost Advanced Nutritional Shake limit of 1. That will end up making them just $10.25 or $5.12 each. If you need some coffee, the Dunkin' ground coffee or the 10-count K-cups are on sale for $7.99. Pick up 1. Pay the $7.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.25. That will end up making it just $6.74. The next coffee deal I have is on Maxwell House or the Urban Coffee, 23.1 to 28.4 ounce. They are on sale for $12.99, and when you buy 1, you get $1 back. Pick up 1, pay $12.99 and get $1 back, making it just $11.99. The family size Chips Ahoy cookies are on sale for $3.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 1, pay $3.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just $3.49. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on the 30-count Water Wipes Adult Care Cleansing Wipes. Pick up 2 priced at $5.29 each. Both will total $10.58. Pay the $10.58 and you get 4 back, making them $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any Poise pads or liners. Pick up 1 28-count Poise pads priced at $7.99 and 1 48-count liners priced at $8.29. Both will total $16.28. Use $2.50 off Poise digital coupon and you pay $13.78. Get 6 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back on the pad, limit of 1, and 75 cents back on the liner, limit of 1. That will end up making them just $6.28 or $3.14 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on participating household cleaners. I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Lysol toilet bowl cleaner priced at $4.29 and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $2.15. Both will total $6.44. Pay the $6.44 and get 3 back, making them $3.44 or $1.72 each. The second option I have will be on the Suavitel. They are priced at $3.59. Pick up 2, and with the buy 1 get 1 50% off, the second one will be $1.80. The 2 will total $5.39. Pay the $5.39 and you get 3 back, and that will make both Suavitel just $2.39 or $1.20 each. My next deal is spend $30 get $10 back. Pick up 1 Downy Beads on sale for $6.99, 1 Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $6.99, 1 Tide detergent on sale for $6.99, and to complete this deal, pick up 1 Charmin Essential on sale for $9.99. These 4 items will total $30.96. Use a $3.50 off Downy Beads digital coupon, $1 off Tide digital coupon, $3.50 off Downy Rinse and Refresh coupon from Coupon 24 app, and $1 off Charmin digital coupon. The 4 coupons will take off $9 and you pay $21.96, get 10 back, making them $11.96 or $2.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support. I truly appreciate them. And I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.